In today's modern agricultural development, the health and safety of the farm has always been the focus of attention. Therefore, the disinfection of the farm is particularly important. In the farm, there are a lot of viruses and bacteria in objects and air. Cross-infection of breeding personnel and animals. AirTech Air has won many authoritative certifications at home and abroad. Virus inactivation rate and odor removal up to 99%. Other Air focuses on creating a healthy and comfortable working environment. To reassure the breeders when the air plasma air disinfector is started, generate tens of thousands of ion groups per cubic meter. It can instantly break down the protein structure of the virus and harmless to human body, achieve the coexistence of man and machine, and let the air return to clean and fresh.